In the meantime, in our country grappling with urbanization, economic inequality, and climate threats, Nigeria's landfills have become more than dumping grounds, and they are battlegrounds of survival, innovation, and often health challenges. New Central's correspondent Bettina Nwelih is confronting the mountain waste crisis and asking the important questions. Is waste just trash, or could it be Africa's next untapped resource? And now we have Bettina Nwelih, our news correspondent, joining us to give us updates. Good afternoon to you, Bettina. What's the situation of things where you are? It's looking quite nauseating, I must say.
It is nauseating, Leko. Good afternoon, and thank you for having me. Actually, it's an eyesore. Now, what we have here is a fraction, and I'm talking about a tiny fraction of what is going on around Piakasa, just opposite Federal Housing Estate in Dugbe, Abuja. Now, while the government is doing a lot within the Abuja municipal, constructing roads and, also trying to commission them, we have communities that are, complaining bitterly about this dump site that are very close to where they live. Now, if you look behind me, even up until the power line, it is filled with rubbish and trash. And even as we've been here for over an hour, we've seen people who keep coming to add more trash to what is already here. Now, we cannot even begin to talk about the health consequences of this. And according to the people that we've spoken to, it's even worse when it rains. We spoke to a young man earlier, and he says that when the rains come, he doesn't even make use of this road. He crosses over to the other side of the road, walks down, and then crosses back because the smell is that bad. I've been doing reports on dump sites and refuse, and this is the first time I have had to use a nose mask for a live report because that is how bad the situation is. I have a young man here who is ready to speak about the waste and how it's affecting them because he also stays within this community. Thank you, sir. Please come closer. Can you please tell us your name?
My name is Nwelih Gada.
All right, Nwelih, can you tell us about this dump site and how it is affecting those of you who reside in this region?
Actually, this dump site is a very, very toughie for us people living in this vicinity. Even if you want to pass here, you are not comfortable, and this place is really affecting people, especially young children. The older we are getting there is causing, there is so much air pollution, and it's affecting young children. That's causing malaria because of the mosquito. That this place has made it a accommodation for mosquito, and there is especially this dysentery and the breakout of many diseases that are affecting even the adult and the young children. So we really need the help of the government if they can do something about it. Thank you very much.
All right, Nwelih, before I let you go, have you called or has this community called on the government before to see whether they can do anything about it? Has there been any response in the past regarding this dump site?
Yes, the community has made some move. That is based on at the area council level, they have made a move. They have just come. It is once that they have cleared this dustbin, and the dustbin has gathered again, and it has been here for long.
How long ago was that?
That's, let's say, like 5 to 4 months back.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So you've heard it from a resident of this community. 4 to 5 months ago, they came here to clear this dump. But look at what is behind me 4 months after. You would agree with me that this is something the government needs to pay attention to. And if possible, put in sanctions and laws that will make sure that this place is highly residential and not a dump site that is affecting the lives and the livelihoods of the people that stay here.
Thank you so much, Bettina Nwelih, for sharing these updates with us. We hope that the Nigerian government will be able to do the needful, most especially for the health, of course, of the people residing in that area. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.